This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. You will love this darling 3-bedroom/3-bath cabin with year-round, long-range mountain view, and lovely hardwood flooring. Seller just had the entire cabin, decks, and railings stained on the exterior and replaced 2 huge interior windows. The open floor plan on the main is a wonderful place to entertain family and friends. Large great room with stone fireplace, gas logs, unvented, dining, and kitchen along with main bedroom and bath. Upstairs is the second bedroom with private porch and bath, and large loft. On the terrace level you will find the third bedroom and bath, a large workshop, and plenty of extra storage. Most furniture and furnishings remain except personal items. See list on disclosure. Seller is offering $2,500 appliance allowance with seller approved offer. For more information